Thor, what is this? What did you do to the shoe? Did you do this? Did you chew up the shoe? Look at this. What is that?
What is it? Huh? What is this? Is this the Elmo chair? What did you do to the Elmo chair? Huh? You're naughty. That is naughty. What did you do to that Elmo chair? Huh? What did you do? What did you do to that Elmo chair? Naughty.
What was in here? Were those the cookies? Were those the cookies? What's on here? What's this? Oh, boy. Ben.
So what do we have here? It looks like there's a pear on the ground missing from the fruit bowl. I wonder who did it. Was it you? No, you were outside walking with me. Was it you? The shaking one in the corner? Frightened? Because she did something wrong? Is it you, Lucy? Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you eat the pear that you weren't supposed to eat?
Kto to zrobił? Kto to zrobił? Kto to zrobił?
Got home, and my dog looks like this. What'd you do? Huh? Why do you look like... Is that you, buddy? Did you do that? Huh? Buddy? Did you do this? Was this you too? It was you, wasn't it, buddy?
Millie, did you tear apart your toy? Did you tear apart your toy? Millie, look at this. What, did it taste good? Did it taste good? We'll let Mommy clean it up, because I'm not going to. Millie.
Who peed on the floor? Who did it? Chloe? Was that you? Who did that? Who did that? I guess Chloe's the guilty one.
Why did you kill my plants, Louis? Why? Why? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? Naughty boy.
You didn't do that, did you? Did you do that? Ted. Did you do that? Did you do that? Who done it?
Come on. Did you do that, Charlie? Charlie, did you do that? Huh? What is that? What is that? Charlie. Bad dog. Bad dog, Charlie.